Here's another classic Christmas dish. Deep fried shrimp. What we have there is a pound of shrimp, I believe 2630s. And in the bowl we have a half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, and a half teaspoon of garlic powder that I'm just mixing around the bowl. All right, next step. Okie dokie, we've got our first breading station. It consists of a cup of flour, and then add a teaspoon of paprika, and you just kind of want to stir this around a little bit until everything is all well mixed together. The second breading station will be the final breading station, and that's, of course, panko breadcrumbs. If it isn't panko, well, it'll probably work. Third and final breading station is going to be the ones with the eggs. So take 2 eggs and beat the ever-loving shit out of them in a bowl. And, all right, we have our breading station set up. Okay, first off, want to coat all the shrimp in some flour. And when you take them out, shake off the excess. Okay, and then take the shrimp, and you do want to keep the tails on. And then wash them in the egg wash, and then put them into the panko. Then you just want to roll the shrimp around in the panko a little bit. Then deep fry in 375 degree oil for a couple of minutes till they're golden brown. Shrimp's already cooked. And how about one more round of the little bastards going into the 375 degree oil? And after a couple of minutes, that's what you should end up with. Grab yourself a little bowl of cocktail sauce, and you'll have deep fried shrimp for your Christmas holiday.